Welcome back to Weird Stuff in a Can. Today on Weird Stuff in a Can, we've got Blueberry Waffle Breakfast Stout. I picked this up in Tesco, and it's from the Vocation Brewery and Yeasty Boys. And it is a breakfast stout, an oatmeal stout, flavoured with blueberry waffle flavours, which sounds absolutely delicious, and I've got high hopes for this. So let's have a little look here. Breakfast Club Waffle and Blueberry Breakfast Stout from Yeasty Boys. It's a special edition, so we've got to enjoy this while it's available. So ingredients are water, malted barley, oats, hops, yeast, blueberry and blackberry, vanilla and cinnamon. Well, I've got high hopes for this, as I say, and I'm going to have this alongside my breakfast, which is really more of a brunch. Actually, it's about 11 o'clock, so I did think about having this for breakfast, but I thought breakfast might be a little bit too indulgent even for me. So I've got this with my breakfast or brunch, which is a bacon, cheese and cherry jam sandwich. If you don't know how good that is, I think you need to try it. Anyway, let's pour this out and have a look and see what we got. Pull tab is quite a tricky one. Oh, all over my hand. So, a little bit of enthusiasm there from the pull tab. It's a very, very full can. I think that's what's happened there. Let's pour this out and have a look. I feel like I can see a slight blueberry sort of colour to the head on there, but I might just be imagining it. Let's have a sniff. Okay, well, it smells malty and grainy. It smells pretty much like a standard stout should do. Can't actually detect any fruity aromas, or a tiny little bit. Yeah, a tiny bit of fruity aroma on the nose there. Let's have a taste. Oh, that's good. That is very good. So really, really massive malts in the first taste. Massive, rounded, toasty, licorice flavoured malts. And then the waffle and the cinnamon, the spices, and then the fruit comes through at the end. And it's actually quite a nice finish. Very subtly done, because some of these beers, sometimes they overdo the flavours in these speciality beers, but this one is really, really subtly balanced. I like that a lot. Let's try it as an accompaniment for a bite of my sandwich. Even better for washing down a sandwich or a breakfast or something quite savoury. So my sandwich is a mixture of savoury and sweet, and this beer with its blend of different flavours is actually a perfect accompaniment to something like that. Yeah, I'm really, really impressed with that. I feared that maybe the blueberry flavour might have been overdone in here, but it is really subtle. It's present, but it's not overpowering. And as a result, that's a really nicely balanced, tasty stout. So there we go, that's Weird Stuff in a Can. Yeasty Boys Breakfast Blueberry Waffle Stout. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.